Okay, I'm making this video because Tracker does not do a very good job of fitting with a linear curve. So if I right click, analyze, and I go to my screen right here, if I change the fit name to Exponential Autofit, you can see that it reads the fit lies outside the plot area. So I look at my A value, it doesn't reflect the initial height, and with my calculations for the B value, this is way off. I should have something E-4, not E4. So we're not going to use Tracker for the graph, but we will use the Tracker data and pull this data into Excel. So go back to the original Tracker screen, or in the Tracker screen, click Table here, and click off anything except for Y and T, or click off anything except for Y and go to Close. Now I'm going to highlight these columns all the way down. See if I have, starting from the top, highlighting all the way down, click, drag, scroll. See, I plotted hundreds of data sets, data points, and I will right click this and go to copy selected cells as formatted. Then you're going to go to Excel and you will highlight two entries, A and B, and you'll go Control V and it will paste these data. I'll go ahead and delete the first four columns here because those are just titles. Now I'm going to go to Insert, Chart, Scatter Chart. It already comes up for me because I've done this once, but let's say I did not do this. I'll go right click this blank chart if it's blank for you, select data. I'll go ahead and remove, go to add the series name. This is the decay of water height. Series X values equals, these should be my time values, which are on this side. Series Y values equals, and I'm just going to click the B column. Hit OK, OK again. And this pops up. We are going to go to trend line. We'll add a trend line, click this on, click this arrow for more options again. Click the vertical green bars if they don't show up. This is not linear, this should be exponential. And we will go to display equation on chart. Click that on. Sorry, my computer is very slow. It's running a lot of processes. Alright, so if I drag this up here, you can see that the exponent only shows to 0.01. So what I can do is I can click on this equation, come to Format Trend Line, click these vertical bars, and under Number, change from General Category to Scientific. 2 decimal places. This should change in just a moment. It's slow. Okay, and then you can see I have a full equation. I can see what my decay constant is right here. And you need to add axes titles. The time is, this should, oops, click to back off. So add your axes titles and then copy and paste this graph into the Word document. Thanks for watching.